similar to yours.
I want to know why you outside with a towel on like it's a blanket. Will you tell the world that right now?
What you gonna do with her? You too?
No,
Well,
no, not me. Don't get me. Just get her.
well, I have a towel on me right now because this is what I brought outside. And it was warm because I had just got out the dryer. And right now it's kind of breeze outside.
So what the hell the towel doing? You not wet? You still not understand. You still not explaining what the towel for.
It's like the receiving.
Oh,
It's a beach tab, but
but you're not at the beach, nor is you wet. So
right now I'm using that some motherfucking towel, so fuck the world and what the world think about what the fuck I got over here.
will I be sure that the motherfuckers on YouTube that watch this video? No. It-
I use no fuck. Put that shit on there.
all right, and I'm gonna send it right to Mrs. Summers too. Oh, you got scared then. You was like, oh. Let me take all that back. I'm sorry.
Okay, can you stop recording?
No. Look at that nappy ass hair though. Looking like buckwheat little sister.
I hate you.
How you doing?
I hate you so.
You sound just like
I made you. It's a her. How you doing? Ooh, this is going on YouTube right now.